So I think I finally figured out exactly what I'm gonna do with this car and the vision that I have. Let's roll that clip.
Rentec president Hartmut Feil spent 14 years with German super tuner AMG before opening his own company in Florida. That experience, plus his unique vision of what a Mercedes could be, have produced machines like the Rentec SL500 6.0. While based on the SL500, its bold Stuttgart by way of Miami styling is a far cry from what its designers intended. The eye-catching paint, racy carbon fiber body kit and rear wing, as well as huge 18-inch Pirelli shod OZ wheels, shout performance. The same can be said for the interior, which bears little resemblance to a stately Benz cockpit. The dash, doors, and center console are sheathed in carbon fiber, while gauges are replaced with custom Rentec units. And the standard power seats swap for a set of firm, supportive, manually operated Recaro racing seats.
So as you guys saw from that clip, I really want to utilize some of the things that Rentec was doing back then. So I think that was one of their first builds. I could be wrong on that, but that is an amazing company now and very, very high respected. And I love the fact that they lowered the weight by removing those massive seats, but going with a really cool Recaro style. So with that said, we're going to be taking some aspects of what they have there, some aspects of a body kit that I'm going to fully customize. So as far as engine goes, we're probably going to be doing either modifying what we have here or doing a full swap. I'm going to keep that kind of a secret. And as far as seat goes, I'm going to do something that's my own personal touch, and I've got some ideas I've been trying to pull from different things, but I'm going to kind of keep that a secret, and I'm going to update you guys all at once on all the stuff we're going to be doing. So I'm very excited. I've ordered some things in, and I'm going to fill you in. Now, as far as interior, I want to fully customize it, kind of similar to what Rentec was doing. So definitely into the carbon fiber pieces, and that is something that I've been wanting to do for a long time. And I love the customized gauges they did. Not sure what we're going to do on that. And I think I want to do some sort of racing steering wheel on this. Of course, I'm going to fill you guys all in. I really want this build and this video series to be my best ever. And I've got some plans. So I don't want to do all the boring, long task stuff on videos like I've done in the past. What I really want to do is put together some really good content that shows you a ton of stuff in a short period. And I'm really going to organize them into groups, put them into playlists, so you guys can kind of watch those in case you come in the middle. And I think this is going to be my best series by far. In fact, I know this is going to be my best series by far, because I've already planned out everything and I'm excited the way it's going to go. Now, with all that said, what my plans are is to record a lot of the footage and then do shorter videos like I've always done, where we're fixing something on the car. Even as I'm going with this, I'm probably going to do a video on how to remove these seats, because it was a little task, and then once I figured it out, it was really very easy to do. And then I might even do like separate videos on some of the stuff that we're going to be doing customized on this car. So with all that said, that's kind of the fill in on where we're going to go with this car starting now. And it's probably going to be maybe a month down the road before we launch the first part of the series, and then I'll be launching those maybe every month or two, but with that building up excitement towards it. So I'm pretty excited about this. I do want to show you guys one more thing before I end this video, because most of it really is just about this 500 SL and where we're going to be going, what we're going to be doing. So I've mentioned this car many times on the channel. This is the S600 sedan, and it's a V12 obviously, that I got quite a while ago, and it's just had a ton of different issues that I was hoping to sort out, and then somebody came along that really needed the car, that's a subscriber, so I worked a deal out with him. Unfortunately, all of this kind of got messed up. This car has just been sitting, and now it has even more issues. Both of us agreed that in order to get it out to him, the cost and the time involved is going to cost more than the car is probably worth, and to have him fix everything is just going to be really, really difficult. So we are going to be parting this car out in a good way. So what do I mean by in a good way? We're going to be using all of the parts off this to fully restore the S600 coupe we have here, which is Xavier's car, and I'm going to be shipping off a lot of parts that are needed for his project, the subscriber I'm talking about, because he has this exact car and he has other similar cars. And then for you guys, any parts that you possibly need that are on this car, I want to work out deals. So here is going to be the first part of what I want to launch. So the goal is that we're going to launch a kind of car club where you guys can buy merchandise, stickers that support that car club, and then you can purchase parts off of our parts cars. And the goal is to save as many W140s as we can. And with all that, we want to purchase W140s that are almost going to hit the junkyard, save them, or if they're unsavable, utilize those parts for you guys to save cars. And at the end of every one that we save, we want to try to give those away on the channel to a subscriber in need of a car that really wants a W140. I'm very excited about this program we're going to put together, and I really think it's going to be supported heavily. So we'll do more on that when it becomes something that we're closer to doing. But right now, V12 parts are available. There's quite a few that are going to be being shipped out to the subscriber, quite a few that we need for Xavier's car. But please do not hesitate to message me if you need any S600 parts, specifically on the sedan model here. So this is a short edition, so it's a little unique. And if you guys have anything in line with this, even an S500 or an S320 that you might need door panels for and stuff like that, please do not hesitate to message me down below, and I will try to get back to you the best I can. Once again, guys, my name's Pete. This is Pete's Carport. I'm excited to bring you guys all of these new things that we're going to be doing, and you guys have an awesome day, a blessed week, and I'll catch you on the next video.